Hi and welcome. This is a quick video to show how to update your DNS name servers in GoDaddy for your GoDaddy domains. Basically, this is how you point your domain to your hosting to set up your website. So log into your GoDaddy account and then go to the option for Manage Domains. Once the list of domains in your account comes up, simply scroll down to the one that you're interested in. I'm blurring out some of mine for privacy purposes. And when you find the domain you want, simply click on the domain name itself. Once the domain settings page comes up, scroll down. Again, I'm blurring out some details for privacy. Down at the bottom, we have the option for Manage DNS. So click on that option. You'll then find yourself on the DNS Management page. Now, to start off with, your default settings for this, for your domains registered through GoDaddy, will be GoDaddy's parking. So at the moment, they're on DNS for domain control, which is GoDaddy's parking service. What we want to do is scroll down to the bottom here where we can see the name servers and click on the option to change those name servers. Then again, we're going to simply scroll down a bit further and we've got the option to enter my own name servers. Simply click on this and it'll bring up the option to type in your own name servers. Now, you should have received the details for these from your hosting provider. And all you need to do is type in the address that you were given by your hosting provider. So as an example, NS1, your webhostdns.com, and NS2, the same. If you need to add more name servers, if they've given you 3 or 4, then click on the button here to add a new name server. It will add an extra field here and you can type in NS3, NS4, etc. And once you've got the relevant information in there, simply click on the save button. Now I'm going to pause the video while I replace these fake name servers with my real name servers, and then I'll do the same. When you click on that save button, it will pop up with a warning because what you're doing is changing where your domain is pointing. So if you already had it on a host, you're moving it somewhere else. So it's just making sure that you know what you're doing. And as we are, we're going to click on the button for yes and then click on continue. Now after that, you may get a warning to say that it will take a little while for those DNS updates to propagate across the internet. Usually it's very, very quick, so it will happen within minutes, if not even seconds, but they will warn you that it could take a day or two, which generally isn't the case. So that's updating your DNS name server settings in GoDaddy. Obviously, the next step is to set up your website on your web hosting. Thanks very much for watching this video. I hope you found it useful.